The Nyotrep Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. On Sunday afternoon, the Congress leaders from the Garo Hills and those from the state had gathered at Rajabala in a show of strength for the party's candidate Hasina Yasmin Mondal. The recent public meeting at Bhaitbari will also be remembered for the first time, where former Chief Minister of Meghalaya Mukul Sangma shared the dais with the Shillong MP and MPCC President Vincent Pala, indicating a thaw in the tussle that has piqued the interest of all within the state. The election meeting, which started in the afternoon, also saw the attendance of the former Minister of Assam, Rakibul Hussain, who asserted that the downfall of the NPP-BJP coalition in the state will begin from Rajabala. The Congress rally saw state leaders Zenith Sangma, former MLAs A.T. Mondal, Deborah Marak, as well as Assam's Congress MLA Aftab Uddin Mola. Speaking during the campaign, the president of the MPCC and Lok Sabha MP from Shillong, Vincent Pala, said that he had visited all the three assembly constituencies, be it through rallies or door-to-door visits, and was upbeat about the chances of the Congress for the three by-polls in the state. This was also his first visit to campaign in the Garo Hills after becoming the MPCC president. Pala also accused the NPP of being the stooge of the BJP, who had no agricultural policy and therefore could not develop the agricultural sector despite more than 80% of the state's residents being cultivators. Former Chief Minister of the state, Dr. Mukul Sangma, had also addressed the gathering and appealed to voters to come out in large numbers to support their candidate for the upcoming polls on October 30th this year.
In this election, in the by-election, we have 3 seats to contest in Meghalaya. 1 from Rajabala and 2 from Garo Hills. এই by-electionে মেঘালয়ের মধ্যে 3টে সমষ্টির মধ্যে by-election, একটা হলো রাজাবালা গারো হিলসে আর 2টা হলো খাসি হিলস থেকে।
For both the 2 seats, I've campaigned extensively. Be in public rally and be also its door-to-door, house-to-house committee, house-to-house campaign. I can assure you, both the seats from Garo Hills we will win, and I expect that these seats also we will win in this election.